Yeah, this the new 2014 Apollo bike. There's the keyhole that you was asking to see. Here's the kickstart, what you was asking to see. Kickstart right there. Everything on the motor is clean still. It's a little dirty from riding the 8 times that I rode. 17-inch tire on the front, small tire on the back. You see it got the heavy duty shock system on it. Everything is intact. You see this is the upper part of the back. If you can see there on the other handlebar, the little red button, that's the electric start on it. Everything else is clean on the bike. Here's the clutch system. It's a 1 down 5 up. 1 down 4 up. I'm sorry about that. Everything is everything. Now I'm gonna get on the bike. I'm gonna have my sister the camera so she can record me starting it up, so you can see it starting and hear it. Oh, that sucks. Started. That's just get on, turn on with the electric start.